Guys, so today we're going to be revealing the SSR 110, the 2013 that we picked up a while ago. Once we sold the Tao, we used some of that money to buy this SSR. Threw a little bit of money into it, made it look good now, runs good, looks good, you know, so it actually turned out really good. The graphics were very hard to put on and get them straight on there.
Oh yeah, we messed around with it.
We did the best we could, few air bubbles here and there, but it turned out pretty good. Got the grips on, hand guards. You'll see the other videos, but
yeah, there's gonna be a few videos you guys will be seeing before this.
So if you want to see the other videos,
if you want to see a full build series, all the videos, they'll be back on the channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a few cinematic shots here. We'll throw some music in, and you guys can see the reveal. So. So basically, Scully's going to go through all the upgrades he put into it, slash mods, slash just revamping the whole look of the bike, because when we got it, it just had a lot of stickers on it, and I think it looks a lot better. I mean, it basically looks like a CRF 110.
So the first thing I put on was a new chain because it did not have a 420 chain on it.
Yeah,
I got it. I had to throw in a half link right here, as you can see. And it's been doing good. Probably got to tighten it in a little bit here because it's stretching out now, finally. So yeah, the sprockets were in decent shape, so I didn't replace those yet. We probably will in the future though. And then the next thing I did was put this brake lever on.
Yeah, you guys remember when we first bought it, we had a foldy lever that was all
lever, but it didn't have. There's a little tab back here that stops it from going out. So
we just bought a stock $7 lever off eBay.
Match the black clutch.
Exactly.
And then the next thing I did was threw some plastics on it, these carbon fibers. Actually look pretty slick.
These are actually, if you guys are wondering if you guys wanted this set of carbon fibers, it's for a CRF 50.
Yep.
And if you guys didn't know, any CRF 50 plastics and graphics kit basically fit the SSRs, any pit bike.
They have the same bottom end. CRF 50s have the same bottom end as like all SSRs and that stuff.
Yeah, that's why these plastics say CRF. It kind of looks cool. That's actually for a CRF 50, the graphics kit, and the plastics as well.
Yep.
So, total prices, I'll go through how much everything costs. The brake lever was like $7.99. We put these hand guards on too. Matching green handguards. These are just cheap handguards.
They're EDRs. Don't say EDRs, but they are EDRs.
Yeah. So they're like, what, $8?
Yeah.
Probably $8 for the set of handguards.
And then the next thing we did was put on this graphics kit, which was like $33.
Yep. The plastic set was what, $35?
Yep.
So $35 in plastics, $30 in graphics.
And then grips were like $13.
These are Scott grips, right?
Scott grips, yep.
Nice lime green and black. We took apart the BBR throttle tube area, cleaned it all out.
Got it spinning good now.
It's a lot snappier now.
Yep.
The shifter was what, like 13?
Shifter, yeah, it was like $12, something like that. Very
12,
nice
13
shifter,
bucks.
good quality. It's a little bit longer too, so it's a lot better if you have bigger feet,
Exactly.
The stock shifters are for like, kids, they have smaller feet.
And this had the FMF pipe on it when we got it, like you guys saw, so we didn't have to put that modification
and the last thing is put a new coil on it, because the coil was burned.
Yep.
Like right here.
A lot of things.
Stock exhaust.
Yeah, the stock pipe kind of torches the coil wires on these.
Because the FMF runs a little bit farther back. The stock pipe actually runs like really close to here. So if you don't have it tied up too, it'll just dangle down when you're riding and melt down.
So you guys can see that's one of the, I'll show you the, if you guys are wanting to swap coils on these.
You can just, we bought the wrong coil.
You guys can see, I'll give you a shot up in there.
You can get the one with the double mount because they're supposed to be.
There's a single mount, just one mounting hole, but the old one uses a ground on the bolt, whereas the new coils have two different prongs.
One's a ground and
so basically, there's two connections on the chassis wiring harness. You basically take the eyelet, cut it off, and put a female spade connector.
Yep.
Simple as that. Took us, I think I had the coil installed in 5 minutes or less. Just put a crimpable butt connector on it, or a spade connector, and then I put heat shrink tubing over it, just to make sure no water got in. And that was good to go. I kind of just wrapped the coil around the clutch cable, put a zip tie right there, and it's been working good. So no chance of it ever touching that hot exhaust pipe.
What I might do, guys, is I'll keep this as like my show pit bike, and then I'll buy another, crappy one and
complete beater.
Yeah, and just use that to beat around.
And then I think you guys have, if you've been watching the build series, you know that this are rental bars, tall bars.
FMF pipe.
We're thinking about getting an aluminum green rear brake lever.
Yeah.
But they're kind of expensive.
So expensive.
And a Kickstarter too.
So expensive.
They're like 35
I
bucks
might
for a
just take
piece
it
of
off and
aluminum.
paint it if not. Like keep this maybe black or maybe go green and then go green Kickstarter.
Yeah.
And then get some new foot pegs, probably black again because green foot pegs are very expensive too.
Yep, the foot pegs are kind of janky on here. Other than that, I really think the look of the bike is really nice.
The only thing I might do next is get a Traction MX seat cover for it, green and black.
Green and black seat cover would be
Some
nice.
Final finishing touches on it.
And then debadge the engine and make it say CRF.
Right. Yeah.
But I think it looks pretty nice, guys. You gotta let us know in the comments what you think of the bike.
Maybe get some green valve caps for it. You know,
Yeah,
for,
and an aluminum. We might get an aluminum gas cap too.
Yep, green gas cap. That's honestly what I should order right now.
We're definitely gonna get that next. So we'll have the gas cap coming. We'll maybe look into getting the valve adjustment, basically right here. These caps.
Some stars gold ones on it. Your yellow
Yeah.
gold. Maybe a green skid plate. Maybe. But
really like the green and black is like our channel colors.
Right.
Like you guys seen our channel banner and stuff.
Official pit bike of MMO.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it turned out pretty clean though.
So we converted this SSR 110 basically into a CRF 110 for. I mean, if you had to buy like, I bet this thing is just as powerful as a CRF 110.
Oh, more.
Because the pipe, I mean, if you had to buy the pipe new, it's $200.
Yo.
So to fully do the build that we have right here, you probably have to put in like $300, probably.
Yeah.
$300 to $350 if you had to buy bars and stuff, maybe a little bit more. So for $350, if you had to buy the pipe, I mean, if you just put an eBay slip-on your SSR, it sounds just the same. It's just this is going to give you a lot deeper, throatier noise, and it's powerful in the low end. And it's going to backfire like nobody's business.
Yeah.
So I like doing these conversion videos. We did one on the DBX1 talking about how it could be a CRF 150R, and that thing sounded just like one.
Yep.
So basically, this is a CRF 110.
We'll get a few flybys here in a second just to get some riding shots.
We'll start it up.
Slow it down.
We'll start it up and take it down the road, and I'll get a few third-person shots. And let us know in the comments once again. What do you guys think?
What else should we add to it? If you guys have any ideas.
We did a lot to it. Like, there's really not many more parts we can put on it.
Right.
And we could have powder coated the frame, I guess. Right. Or like paint. We could paint the skid plate too, lime green.
We can take off like the clutch cover here and paint that like green on this, and then keep the black.
We could paint the entire engine too if we wanted to. So the SSR 110 here. Warm it up a little bit, and then we'll do a few flybys. Oh yeah, the gear is definitely gonna be stripped.
No, I just hit the.
We also didn't get the new throttle cable yet, so it does have a little bit of a sporadic idle at times. Cable's a little big, but we've been just kind of living with it for now. Oh, that shit sounds good. All right, we're gonna take her to the road and we'll get some shots. Hard on the rev matches too.